This means tick, kick, kick, kick.
Kitty.
W say, what has happened, dude? Hey, this say, ba-ba-da-ba, ba-ba-ba-ba.
Whose name starts with that letter?
Ba.
Whose name starts with that letter?
Bread. Ba.
Yes. What? Oh, what's that one that you just laid down?
F.
Mm-hmm. No, that's a B. Whose name starts with that one?
Daddy.
Yep.
It's this one is saying icky.
That's right.
And this say
Yep. You know all of them.
and this say
Yep.
this say
Who taught you all that?
Mommy did.
Oh.
M for Mama.
Very good.
Yes.
Hi, Cora.
How about this one? That one. Whose name starts with that one?
C.
Whose name starts with a C?
Papa. No.
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 What sound does a C make then?
Whose name starts with a C?
And this is say oh. And this say
Yep. Cora.
Cora. And this say what's this say? Nona.
What?
Nona.
No. Let's
Papa.
see. What thing starts with an S? Sleepy.
Snake.
Sleepy.
Snake.
Silly Sally. Starts with S.
Boy, you know all of them. I am so proud of you. That is very, very good.
Mine.
Cora is 9 months old.
Yeah. Are you going to take a picture of her, please?
Hi, Cora.
Hi.
Hey, baby girl. Are you coming to see us? And Cora is almost walking.
Hey,
She's-
what's here?
Here's Cora.
I don't know. I don't know. A picture thing.
Yeah, a picture frame.
Picture thing.
Who is in there?
Bread.
Yep, that's you.
Say cheese.
Cute.
I want to see my pic.
Go hang it on the tree.
Okay.
I'll
And you
watch.
can take a picture of it.
Okay. Here's Cora. Cora, you have saggy pants.
Right
Hi, Cora. Whoop.
here. Whoopie day.
Cora Bora. Hi. Thanksgiving 2011. Cora's first steps. Hi, sweetheart. This is wine that we just was a gift to us from a friend from Italy.
Friend Andrea Acco.
From Andrea Acco.